Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Putri from class 9. I will show you a craft tutorial from peer papers. Here is the tutorial. Don't forget to watch until the end. Thank you. How to make cute doll craft. Tools and materials. Prepare 3 packets of beers and put them one by one into another packet. Prepare 5 pieces of rubber to form the doll. After that, tie it in the middle to form the neck. Then, tie at the top and bottom sides to form the ears and legs. The bottom and top middle parts until they look neat like in the video. Put glue on the colored paper that has been cut to form a nose. Then attach it to the doll. Okay, to make the doll look pretty, add a ribbon to the neck. Done guys, that's it. The tutorial is very easy, right? You can try it at